Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. How are you today? Fine. Are you good? Okay, so it's nice to see you again, ya, in this meeting. Who's the chairman, ketua kelas? Chairman? Oke, pimpin doa dulu ya.
Semua siap, berdoa dimulai. Beri salam.
Okay, waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you so much. Okay, now before we start, I will check your attendance first. So please say present when I call your name, okay? So all of you come for today, which is good, yeah. Thank you. So look at this PowerPoint. Look at this slide, okay? So today we are going to learn about discussion text, okay, or text diskusi, okay? In the specific topic, we will discuss about should we promote Batik Jambi as a symbol of Indonesian culture abroad, okay? Are you familiar with Batik Jambi? Yes, that's the uniform of you on the Thursday, right? Yes, yes. You wear Batik Jambi every Thursday, okay? Nah, okay. This is our learning objective today, okay? So at the end of the lesson, I hope you are able to analyze. What is analyze? Menganalisis. Okay, you are able to analyze the pro and the contra argument from the discussion text with the title of Should We Promote Batik Jambi as a Symbol of Indonesian Culture Abroad through reading and discussion on the topic of local culture accurately and logically. That's our learning objective today. Okay, before we start, let's watch this video together, okay? I will show you this video. Okay, please pay attention to the video, okay? Listen to the video because I will ask you some questions about it.
Thousands of people celebrated Japanese culture today on the Upper West Side during the Japan Parade. Even though the parade is relatively new to the city, many showed up to honor Japanese traditions.
Okay, what is the video about? What is the video about? It's a Japan parade, okay? It's a Japan parade, okay? They introduce their culture, yeah, but not in their country, but in New York City, okay? So let's discuss it together. Next, what aspects of Japanese culture were presented in the parade? Okay, aspects of Japanese, yes. What aspects of Japanese culture were presented in the parade? Apa aja unsur-unsur yang dipresentasikan di parade tersebut? Okay, you?
The aspect of Japanese culture is the clothing like kimonos and yukatas.
Okay, so you focus on the, what is that? The costume,
Yes.
yeah, the costume of the Japan parade. Okay, what is the famous costume of Japan? Kimonos
And yukatas.
Yukatas, yes, ada kimonos and yukatas. Okay, what about the audience react for the performance? How does the reactions of the audience? Are they excited? Okay, you.
I saw people were taking lots of photo and video. I think they were excited and impressed by the culture of they display.
Okay, others, do you think the same idea like your friends? Yeah, that the audience were excited. Do you think the same idea?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Because they take a lot of pictures and also videos.
Videos.
Yes. All right. Next. Kira-kira nih, what benefits do you think that Japan gains from showcasing its culture internationally?
Japan can promote their culture to the world.
Okay. Promote their culture
And then helps Japan to build stronger international
and then
friendship.
help Japan to make stronger relationship with New York. Okay, so kira-kira that's the benefits of showing our culture to another country. That's about the Japan parade. Now we talk about our own culture, yeah. We talk about our city Jambi. Okay, because we live in Jambi. Maybe some of you were born in Jambi, so we talk about our culture Jambi, specifically on this one. Are you familiar with this picture? Yes, what is that? Batik. Batik apa? Batik Jambi. Okay, do you think that all of people in Indonesia familiar with our Batik Jambi? No. Okay, kenapa? Because lack of promotion, right? Yes, kita kurang mempromosikan. Oke, in Indonesia batik yang familiar adalah batik Jawa, Javanese batik. Alright. Okay, next. Is batik Jambi ready to be promoted as a symbol of Indonesian culture abroad? Okay. Okay, you.
Batik Jambi still needs more promotion before it can represent Indonesian globally.
Okay.
But if Batik Jambi is more promotion, Batik Jambi is ready because it has a beautiful, unique patterns and that can represent Indonesian culture in the world.
Okay, so you have two perspectives.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, tadi what is your first perspective?
It's not fully ready because not many people know about
Okay,
it.
Batik Jambi is not fully ready, yeah, to be promoted to the world because
It's not many people know about it.
yes, because not many people know about Batik Jambi. Maybe not people around the world, but people in Indonesia itself. Ya, coba bayangin, mungkin orang-orang yang di Papua, yang di ujung timur sana, they doesn't know, ya, they don't know about our culture, they don't know about our Batik Jambi, right? Yes, okay. And then another perspective.
If Batik Jambi can be more promotion and recognizing, Batik Jambi is ready because it has unique patterns.
Okay, so you also think that Batik Jambi maybe it's ready because they have
Unique
yes, a
patterns
unique
and beautiful.
patterns, yeah, and a beautiful patterns also. We have discussed about the video, about your perspectives about our culture about Batik Jambi. Okay, nah ini kita hubungkan dengan our topic today ya. Sesuai sama topik kita hari ini adalah discussion text. Oke, so discussion text adalah, ada yang bisa menyimpulkan what is discussion text? Coba.
I think a discussion text is a text where it includes two perspectives in it, which is the pros arguments and the cons.
Okay, so the discussion text is a text that includes two perspectives, yeah, different perspectives. The first perspective is pro, and the second is cons. Okay, right. Thank you, Atia. Okay, here are the structures. There are 4 structures ya. The first ada issue. Okay, tadi yang mau kita bahas adalah Batik Jambi. Should we promoted that Batik Jambi to the internationally? Okay, and then ada arguments yang for and arguments against, atau pro and contra. And then the last ada conclusion or recommendation. Alright, so far so good? Yes. Is there any question? No? No? Okay, if there is no question, we come to our activity, okay? Okay, how about you sit in groups, yeah? There are 9 groups, and each group will consist of 4 people, okay? With 4 people, okay. We have divided your groups, yeah? So now please sit in your group, yeah? I will give you 2 minutes, okay? 2 minutes to sit in your groups, okay? Start from now. So, have you got the students' worksheet? Yes, okay. So, please read the instructions in the worksheet carefully. Don't forget to write down your name and your groups, okay? So, in the worksheet, you will analyze the arguments pro and the argument cons of the text discussion, and then you will provide your logical reasons, okay? Kenapa argumennya pro, kenapa argumennya kontra, okay? If you have any questions, you can ask me. I will give you 20 minutes, yeah, 20 minutes to discuss in your group and to write down your analyze. 20 minutes, I will set start from now. Any question? Do you have any question? No?
Harus di ini nggak sih? Harus ada edukasi dari pemerintah.
Yes?
Terus kayak ada kamera di situ. Iya, ini ada kamera sih tes pas ulang tahun.
Oke, boleh.
Menurut kalian pro atau kontra? Kalau menurut aku masih agak kontra. Masih agak kontra.
Alasan kenapa argumen ini kami sebut pro? Oke? Yes.
Kalau menurut aku kayak ini dipromosiin di Jambinya sendiri dulu. Ini Indonesia. Baru ke internasional. Yes, betul. Jadi kira-kira bisa nggak sih promosi di keluar? Biar Indonesia dulu nih. Dipenuhi dulu kan sampai semua Indonesia tahu. Ya baru masuk ke internasional.
Now it's time to present your analysis in front of the class, yeah, by giving your specific reason. Okay, which group wants to be a volunteer?
We go first.
You go first. Okay, nice girls.
Here we got pros and cons, and the pros is the first one is support in promoting Batik Jambi abroad can introduce Indonesia's cultural diversity to the world because Batik Jambi have different and equally available from Java's Batik, who's already well known. Because Batik Jambi has many benefits such as cultural reconnection, economic growth, and national pride, while showing that it's not only rich but also diverse. And in the cons arguments, we have international promotion might reduce the authenticity of Batik Jambi, and the original meaning and cultural value might be lost. Our provide your reason here is, however, it's also challenges, including the risk is authenticity. Authenticity. The success, this effort must be done carefully with respect for the culture and support for the artisans. That's all from us. Thank you so much for your attention. Hope you got what I said. Okay.
Is there any comment or feedback for these groups?
Because I think from the facts, we know that Batik Jambi can support local artisans, encourage younger generation to learn the craft,
Okay, it can encourage the younger generation to learn the craft through the Batik Jambi. Yes. Okay, thank you. Give applause to your friends. Thank you. Now we come to the reflection. Okay, so please answer this question. What was the most interesting thing you learned today?
The most interesting yang kita pelajari hari ini, kita jadi tahu tentang mungkin kita harus mengenalkan budaya kita ke dunia.
Okay, we have to promote our culture
Ya.
to the world. Okay, kenapa, apa alasannya?
Karena kita kurangnya mungkin dunia kurangnya tahu tentang keberadaan kita, budaya
Okay,
kita.
di luar negeri, right? Okay. Now, how did you analyze the pros and contra arguments in the discussion text? Okay. Tadi gimana kalian menganalisa which one is pro and which one is contra?
To get to know which one is pros and cons is first you have to read the text.
Okay, read the text
read the
first
text,
carefully, ya.
Yes, and
Then,
get attention what topic we
okay, attention to the
taught,
topic
yes,
that
in it.
discussed.
And then we have to like get attention to one paragraph or like the line that it's really interesting to be the topic in the pros and cons.
Okay, attention to each paragraph.
Yes.
Nah?
And the last one is the most important is you have to know what is pros and cons so you can get the
Okay.
answer.
Thank you. Give applause for your friends who gave the reflections today. All right. So, sebelum ini, who can conclude our lesson today?
So, for me, I personally just learned about the Japanese parade in New
Okay.
York that you just showed the video about, and I also learned that we should promote Batik Jambi more for internationally,
Okay.
because I think it is the reason I think it's important to just promote
Yes,
it,
our
because
culture.
people should know not just their culture but also other people's culture, like diversity and stuff.
Yes. Okay. Thank you. Give applause to Atia. Okay, so today you not only learn from another culture like Japan culture, but we can also learn from our own culture from the Batik Jambi itself. Okay, so I hope that this lesson will give you many more advantages and also insight new insight. Jadi selain dapat benefit, dapat juga wawasan baru. And then nanti where there's another issue in the nationally or globally, you can give your own perspectives, whether is it pros and cons. Silakan scan barcode ini untuk memberikan refleksi untuk Miss. Do you bring your phone? Ya, oke, silakan di scan cerminnya. Oke, boleh pimpin doa ya, tutup kelasnya. Okay, Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you so much for today. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for your participation. See you in the next meeting. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.